Hi, I'm Stu and welcome back to another LumaFusion video tutorial. One of the new segments that I'm launching today is answering questions that have been left in the comments with an actual video tutorial. So we're going to start off with Binh. Now Binh I think is from Vietnam and I don't think English is his first language. So having a look at his question, he basically wants to know how to avoid getting the little warning message you get up that relates to when you put a transition down onto your timeline, why it won't basically ripple either side automatically, which is something LumaFusion can do. So let's look at that. He's got an issue whereby when he applies a transition between two clips, he gets this message. There's a couple of ways you can deal with this. The first way, which is probably the easiest way, is to allow LumaFusion to cope with it for you. We tap on Preferences and then we go down to Advanced Settings down here. You will see Ripple Main Track for Transition Insert is switched off for me at the moment. Usually by default it's on, but you might have actually accidentally switched it off at some point. So by turning that on, it means that when you wish to do a transition, LumaFusion will take care of the timeline rippling between the two clips and the transition, and you just don't have to think about it basically. So what is it that's going on that causes the error message? Well, to get the message to pop up again, I just drag down a simple cross dissolve that's got the default 1 second transition time and let go. The message pops up and it basically tells you what you need to do. But just to show you, you need to trim the clip back by rippling it along either side of the transition point. And you do it enough so that you can basically get a good dissolve. Like so, and that then gives you enough room, if you wish, to actually extend out the dissolve. When you are shooting for yourself, you always film 5-10 seconds before calling action and then 5-10 seconds after calling cut, and then that way you've got some wiggle room for the likes of whatever other transition you're going to use. Okay, so there we go, that's answered Binh's questions. If you have any other questions about LumaFusion or any of the other apps that I tend to show off on the channel, by all means leave a comment in the appropriate video, and where is suitable I will answer with a video tutorial going forward. Hope you found this video useful, and I will catch you on the next one. See you later. Like and subscribe for more tips and techniques.